Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to withdraw Binance NFT. To withdraw an NFT from Binance to an external wallet or marketplace, follow these steps. Visit Binance.com and log into your account using your credentials. Hover to the More section here and click on NFT. After that, click on User Center and find your NFT wallet. Locate the NFT you wish to withdraw and click to view details. After that, you will see Withdraw button. If you don't see the option, means your NFT is not locked. Copy the wallet address of the destination platform or wallet where you want to send the NFT. Paste it into the recipient address field in Binance. Double check that the destination wallet supports the blockchain network of the NFT and choose the blockchain network the NFT resides in. Ensure the destination wallet supports the selected network and confirm the withdrawal process. Withdrawal can take a few minutes to several hours depending on the blockchain network. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.